Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 3 boxes of yummy goodness. I'm super excited. So you guys have been raving about our Little Red Kitchen cookies, and so we've got some new flavors. So we're going to unbox all of them and replenish all the ones we had. So these are made to order, so they do not make them until we order them. And so they take a little bit longer to get in, but you guys have been loving them. Most of the comments are they taste like my grandma's cookies. So let's go ahead and open all these boxes and see what kinds we have. All right, let's go ahead and just do this tall one here. We're going to see what kinds we have and the yummy goodness that is inside. So we have lots of new things on the store. If you have not been to the store recently, make sure you check it out. Okay. A lot of times, I think like the peanut butter or the peanut butter sandwich, one of those two are boxed this way. What kind is this? Yes. This is 2 ginormous peanut butter cookies. They're humongous. Freshly baked.
They look amazing.
They do look amazing. And we have had nothing but positive reviews about those.
Yeah, we usually sell out really quick. I think we only had,
like
from the last ordering, like 2 flavors left, and one of those flavors only had like 1 cookie. So.
What is this one? More peanut butter.
Yep.
So we've been trying to order, we don't want to order too much because we want it all to stay fresh.
Yeah.
And so that's partly why we do such small orders, so that you know when you order with the cookies, you're getting fresh ones.
Right. They have about a 3 to 4 week shelf life is what we want to go with. Some of the cookies can go up to a couple of months, but
these are also peanut butter, same kind.
Yep. I can't remember. One of the cookies is good for a long time, but
yeah. We try to keep them all within that 3 to 4
we
weeks.
have not had a problem, though. They sell so fast.
Super fast, and we get them shipped immediately. Another peanut butter. They just look so good. Look at them.
Yeah. So I guess I double ordered peanut butter.
Yeah, I guess so. Usually we only get 2 of these boxes.
Mm-hmm.
We got some more boxes, and maybe you triple ordered peanut butter.
Oh, boy.
Let's see.
I went wild then.
Maybe because you want to eat some peanut butter cookies? Well, these are different, I think. These are the peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Nice.
Okay, so just
look. You can even see the jelly in there. Yeah.
These are amazing.
That is awesome. It's a great idea.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep. So these are the
peanut butter cookie. Jelly. It's more of a sandwich. Yeah.
I think this might be peanut butter and jelly sandwich as well. Yep. So you get both of the peanut butter cookies plus the jelly in the middle.
Great idea.
All right, so we got peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay. Get this box.
Was that all that was in that box there?
That was it.
Yep.
Totally
okay.
Empty. And these ones are going to be our different kinds. Now I know we have a new flavor, so we'll have to see if we can find them. Which one is the new flavor? We had a new flavor last time and it blew out. The molasses spice cookie, I think, was our new flavor last time, maybe. Was it? I can't remember. Okay. All right.
These aren't in the boxes, but
no, this is how boxes. They usually, yeah, we have them already. We have a box that we put them in. Here is triple chocolate cookies.
That's all good. It's like triple amazing.
Triple amazing. Triple chocolate cookies.
Pretty much if you poured chocolate on anything, I probably would eat it. I have a very large sweet tooth. It is really hard looking at manufacturers that make candies and things going, oh, I want to buy it just because I'd eat it.
Right.
There is a confectionery, I'm probably saying it wrong.
No, that's
confectionery.
That's right.
People that make candies and cookies and stuff and pies and stuff. There's a big convention in Indianapolis. I missed it last year. I thought about going to it this year, Heather and I. That would be a sweet convention.
Sweet. I see what you did there.
Thank you, Heather.
I'm pulling out all the triple chocolate cookies. You must have double ordered these as well.
I may have. Whatever one sold super fast, I think I tried to double order.
Yeah.
This go round.
All right. I think we actually made it down to the next layer.
The next layer.
So this one is molasses spice. Just look how thick they are.
Yeah. Very good.
Enormous.
And there's the expiration date. They do put an expiration, and it's probably like a lot of things nowadays. It's Best Buy, you know. So, what is it? February 22nd, probably.
Yeah,
that was probably good. So, today being February 1st, you know, we got to get them out pretty quickly. So about 3 weeks.
My guess
3 to 4 weeks.
The majority of them are going to get bought today.
Yep, that's usually how it goes.
Yep, so as usually is before I even put the video out, sometimes just when they're listed online. So you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com. They will be in the snacks and candy category. Mm-hmm. That's a triple chocolate.
And then what we do is if, like, we have a slow seller or we have, I don't know, just want to get rid of cookies a little quicker, we'll do specials on the fire sale on Thursday. So we are still planning a Thursday fire sale, but if you didn't know, we've got a winter storm about to hit. So, and they're talking about it could shut the power off. We've got about an inch of ice and then potentially 10 inches of snow on top of that. So
just keep an eye on the Hooked on Pickin' Facebook page on Thursday. If we're planning on having the fire sale, then the video will be linked just like normal. If not, there will be an announcement on that Facebook page saying, hey, fire sale has been delayed, and we will have one this week. But, you know, it depends on when the power comes back on. So if it doesn't come back on until, you know, let's say Friday, then we won't have it till Friday. If it comes back on, if it's bad over the weekend, then we'll have it on Monday. So we'll have a fire sale. It's just when we'll have it.
Right.
But
the plan is, Thursday.
Then we have lemon sugar. Look at that.
Lemon sugar. See, I'm not a lemon fan.
Oh, man.
But James is, right? Our son. See, our son doesn't really care for chocolate a whole lot. Yeah. Which I wondered if he was my son for a long time because of that. But
he looks exactly like Paul, so there's no denying it. So look at the sugar sprinkles on that. That looks amazing.
It does look good.
So we're going to get all the lemon sugar out. Yeah, this was a fast seller as well. I think you might have double ordered this flavor.
Probably did.
So.
Nope, just had an order on the store.
Nice. Yep, we have massive stacks.
We should show them.
We should show you the stacks.
Before we open the third box.
Okay, we're going to show you the stacks of shipping that we did yesterday. So we had tons of shipping yesterday.
People have been buying like crazy.
Well, we have good stuff on the store lately, so not that we don't always have good stuff.
I know. We have stuff that people want faster this time, so.
Okay, lemon. I think we're getting to the new kind down here in the bottom.
Oh, if you're wanting a throw for your, like a little blanket. We've got them. We've had quite a few of them sell. So if you were thinking about buying them, and then we've had a few of the TNT Minecraft rugs sell. Yep. So if you're looking for a Minecraft rug, we have them.
This is the new one, butter and brown sugar. Okay, it's basically a blondie, one blondie. So look how thick that is, though.
Nice.
But it's a butter and brown sugar blondie.
This is the equivalent of a brownie,
It's a vanilla brownie, a non-chocolate brownie.
A non-chocolate brownie.
Yep.
Who knows? Maybe I'll like those.
Yeah, maybe you will.
Me not being a very big brownie fan.
He doesn't like brownies, regular brownies.
Really weird.
But, okay, so that's everything in the bottom of the box of this one. So I'm just going to scooch the box over with this one. And then I want to show you the amazing shipping that we did yesterday. This is just yesterday's shipping.
You might have seen a couple of our helpers come and help us.
So right here is the UPS stack. So, to give you a reference, look how tall it is compared to me. Yep, so this is all UPS. This one right here is that, I don't know if you guys remember us opening that walker that has a seat on it. So that's what this is. We actually already sold the wheelchair.
Yeah, what state is that going to? North Carolina?
It's going to, North Carolina.
North Carolina.
We got North Carolina, we've got California, we've got
all over the place.
All over the place.
We send something to Turkey. Is that going UPS? Or not Turkey, Greece?
Greece, it usually goes priority mail.
Priority mail?
Yep. And then here's our regular mail ones. So we have packages all in these totes, the smaller ones, and then this is our stack for our post office.
Just a ton.
We always take care of our postal carriers, but look at that. How amazing.
It was a busy day.
Yep. So I did want to quick show you guys these. We sold out of these the first time we had them on the store.
Yep.
And we put on 12 more, I think. So, but we only opened 3 the first time. So if you're looking for those little baby bouncers, we do have them.
Everybody needs a baby bouncer.
Yep.
That plays music, too.
Yeah, it does. It does a little bit of a calming vibration, and it shakes a little bit, so that's kind of fun. All right. So then we have another box. What other flavors do we have for yummy goodness? All right. We have... Oh, here we go. These are our gluten-free cookies. They're called Ready cookies, and they are gluten-free. So if you're looking for a gluten-free option, they're completely, totally sealed, really yummy.
I was shocked how many people contacted us about, hey, we need something gluten-free. So I thought it was really cool that they made something like that.
And that we can offer it gluten-free, too. So that's been a hot seller for us as well.
Smart Little Red Kitchen. And they're based out of, what is it, New Jersey?
I think so, yeah.
I think it's New Jersey. See if I can find on the back of the package. I think it tells us. Where are they based out of? Brooklyn. Brooklyn, New York.
Okay, you were in the right region.
I was close.
All right.
I think I'm close. I think Brooklyn's close to New Jersey.
So this one is cool because it's got like the chocolate and it's a cookie, and then there's a melted marshmallow right in the middle of it.
I know, you can't quite see it on this because of where the sticker's at.
Yeah, but there's a melted marshmallow in the middle, so that's really yummy. All the s'mores cookies. Everybody wants s'more cookies.
Yeah, you do.
So, more s'mores, more s'mores. All right. Then we got our signature chocolate chip cookies. So, we got our signature chocolate chip cookies there. Those are
some big cookies.
They're huge, and they're also still a hot seller.
What someone told us is you could take this right here, and you make it like a sandwich. You put ice cream, vanilla ice cream, in between these two, and they're good-sized cookies. And then you can put that in the freezer.
And you can make chocolate chip cookie ice cream.
You basically have your own ice cream sandwich that is just phenomenal.
Oh, that's a great idea.
The church camp I used to take kids to when I pastored in Iowa did that, and those were so good. So good. Kids loved them, too.
These must have been a really, really hot seller because you bought a double batch, I think.
A double batch, yeah. Chocolate chip cookies people blew out, I think, within about 3 hours after we did the video.
Right.
Nice cookies.
You will find these under Little Red Kitchen cookies, and the brownies are there as well.
Correct.
So you know.
Here's this cookie.
Okay.
Whenever you need it.
Yep, we got another signature, a couple of more signature chocolate chips.
More chocolate chip cookies. We went crazy on chocolate chip cookies.
I think that's it. All right. All right, then we have, this is the other brownie, the dark chocolate sea salt.
Brownie.
Yep, the dark chocolate sea salt brownie.
It does smell good. I just don't like the taste of brownie. I don't know why.
Yeah, you know what he says? He says it's not cookie, it's not cake, it's some weird hybrid in the middle.
Correct.
So, it's never been his fave.
It's like my brain freaks out.
It's too much.
It's like, oh, goodness. And then it tastes like, no, stop.
Okay, let me see.
But they do look really nice.
I think that's the bottom of the box. So we had caramel apple oatmeal cookies, which was a seasonal one during Christmas time, and so we have not been able to replenish that since Christmas has been done. And so as soon as it comes back in stock, we'll definitely get it, but I think that's the only flavor that we do not currently have in stock. We have every other flavor, plus we're adding the blondie. So we have all of those different flavors. So,
I think that's all the boxes.
Yep, so that's it. That's all of our different flavors there. And then we also have still in stock, because these were a brand new one we just ordered the last time, was the double chocolate peppermint kind. So we still have those. But those were just recently ordered as well. So yeah, caramel apple oatmeal cookies are the only ones we won't have in stock. So we've got all of those, and so we're going to place those in a climate-controlled environment and all that. And then, of course, your peanut butters and peanut butter sandwiches. So hopefully you guys are now yummy and hungry and you want some yummy goodness and you need a snack. Throw those onto your order, and, maybe you can get free shipping by adding a few cookies. But we also have some other things coming up. We just reordered our candy club and our ham and chocolate
candy club.
So be on the lookout in the snacks category. Over the next couple days, we'll be refilling all of those things because I think they're en route or already here. We'll be unboxing them today or tomorrow. So Thanks so much for watching this unboxing. Hopefully you're hungry for cookies now, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.